Come here, my little snotty. Oh. Oh, look at this. Hi, my beauties. When's the last time I did a sit down video? Holy shit. Today, I have been dying to make this video. I'm super excited about it. It's about my hair. I've been meaning to make it for a while because it's something I need to talk about. Like, I get a lot of questions about it. So I'm here to help you guys. But now that I have a deadline because my hairdresser slash best friend has committed to a day and time, which is in 2 days from now. And she wants to cut it and dye it. I'm not in control of my hair. I have no say. She is the boss. Nobody else is allowed to touch my hair. That's my decision. And I trust her with my life. My life meaning my hair. So whatever she thinks is good, I'm like, yeah, cool, let's do it. So I'm very attached to my hair, as you can tell by the length. It's only ever been one other color, I think I had bright red hair. I'll insert some pictures for about 2 years straight. And that was just a nightmare to maintain. And this is just the color it is now. Like I've never really branched out. It's always just been brunette and then slightly different shades of brunette. That's as wild as it's getting. But we're doing some crazy shit tomorrow. Crazy shit in my eyes and by my standards. But I suppose today's video is a tribute and a farewell to my hair. I wanted to tell you guys what it's like having hair like this. I get a lot of questions about my hair, like the length. Obviously it doesn't even fit in the camera. Ugh, how long it is. It's like past my hips, right? So it touches like halfway down my bum. Why is it this long? I think it really helps with my ethnicity. I am Italian, Greek, and Croatian, so lots of dark, thick hair all over my body. I don't really do anything with my hair in terms of, I rarely use heat on it. There's a reason why, because it takes so fucking long, but I rarely ever put heat products on it. I only wash it once a week. So I have a lot of natural oils in my hair, which I wasn't doing on purpose. It just takes me so long to wash my hair and dry my hair and have wet hair that I just only wanted to wash it once a week. And then the more I did that, my hairdresser slash best friend started telling me that contributes to hair growth because you're not like washing out all the natural oils of your hair all the time. You're only supposed to wash your hair like every few days, every couple of days a week. Disclaimer, I'm not a qualified hairdresser, but get what I'm saying. So I think that's contributed. I would actually like to say that I get it trimmed regularly, but I don't. I probably get it fucking trimmed like once every 6 months. So you can see my hair, like probably that much of my hair is dead. Not dead, but just like not healthy. So I wonder if I got it trimmed like once a month, which they do suggest you do to prevent like split ends and it's splitting all the way up. I wonder how long my hair would actually be. That's crazy. But yeah, don't cut it that often. I don't wash it that often. I don't really use heat products on it that often. Maybe if I'm feeling fucking fancy, maybe once every couple of months I'll straighten it or curl it depending on where I'm going out, right? I don't dye it. The only time I dye it is for my roots because my hair grows so quickly and I have gray hair, like my roots are gray. I dye my roots once every, probably, I need to do it once a month, but timing, funds, probably once every couple of months. So if I didn't have gray roots, I probably wouldn't dye my hair at all. So I think all of that combined maybe has contributed to why it's so long. It's also very thick. Like it's one thing to have long as fuck hair, but my hair she thick, girl, she thick. I think that's my ethnicity, right? Like my nationality. That is whatever that is. Yeah, it's fucking crazy. I don't know how do you show someone how thick your hair is without them like. So to give you an example, if I half my hair, which is hard to do by the way, we're gonna get into the pros and cons of having long hair. That's what I really want to make this video about. It just takes so long, such high maintenance. Okay, so that's half of my hair, but it's still like long as fuck, thick as fuck. And then I've still got all of this, like it's crazy. It's a fucking nightmare, right? It's a nightmare. But I haven't cut it because I love my long hair. I love the feeling of when I go out, having my hair down just like all over my body. It makes me feel really feminine and really beautiful and really pretty and sexy. Why else do I like it? It keeps me warm in winter. Literally, like I can wear it as a jacket. When I get cold and I'm out, I wear my hair like a jumper. See? Oh hell no! Fucking hell. So the pros, it's a jumper. The pros, it looks really pretty. Pros, I don't have to pay for extensions. Like I know a lot of people like really long, thick hair and they pay a lot of money for it. I think I'm just really grateful that I naturally have long, thick hair. It just looks pretty, like it looks good. I think that's the only pros, honestly. The rest is a fucking nightmare. So let's get into the cons or the negatives about having hair like this, and I want you guys to think twice about paying to have hair that looks like this. Or I suppose the good thing about that is you can take it out, like extensions and weaves or whatever it is you guys do. So washing my hair, like I said, I probably do it once a week. It's just takes ages and I go through a lot of product. I actually have to part my hair like I did just before, because if I put shampoo on the top of my head, it's so thick and long that literally the bottom half of my head, like all the under bits, stay dry. Like they don't even get water on them. That's how thick and like long my hair is. So I have to wash the top bit of my head, separate my hair, get more shampoo, and like wash the bottom bit of my hair. It's ridiculous. And you can imagine just like being in the shower, washing my head. It's so heavy and long and just fucking annoying. So I rarely wash my hair, but once a week keeps the oils at bay. And yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going with that. Washing my hair is a fucking mission and a half. Drying my hair, don't even get me started. It's like, when I say drying my hair, I mean drying it properly, like where you get the brush and you blow wave it and all that shit, right? If I really wanted to, I quickly just put my hair like this, it's all wet. And do this, like this is the hairdryer. Dry it like this. And I dry all of my scalp just to, let it dry quicker. And then most of it is still damp. It's not like dripping wet, but it's damp. If I leave it like that, my hair will dry on its own in about 2 hours. And it dries all like knotty and curly and it's just gross. If you dry it properly, I have done it before, I have timed it. This was about 4 or 5 years ago I timed it. When I dry it, now that is where the arms hurt, the shoulders hurt. It takes 40 minutes, 40 fucking minutes, but this is how I dry my hair. But yeah, I literally part it like this, like I did before, and then part in the middle. Remember, this is like wet hair. I like dry it with a towel first, obviously. And then with the brush, dry, dry, dry. And it takes ages because look how long it is. Like, look at it. Look at it. And I have to brush it in between because it's so long, it gets knotty as I'm drying it. So that on its own probably fucking takes like 5 or 10 minutes. Then there's this side. Then I have to tie it in a little ponytail or bob. Then I part it again. Arms get sore, I tell you. And then I'll do this middle bit again, I'll part, dry, 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 blah, blah, blah. And then I do the same with the top. Like, fucking so long. It takes so long, I tell you. It's ridiculous. Like, that's why I avoid it. I normally let it dry by itself if I'm just like chilling at home, and I'll make sure I brush it really well, but it's a fucking nightmare and it takes so long. I literally am standing in the bathroom like, oh, I need to just fucking sit down when I do it sometimes because I have to hold my arms up so much. This is another thing with long, thick hair is any movement, any movement, and look how it's so knotty. I have to brush my hair so much. I very rarely wear my hair down. If I'm going to work or I'm at home, it's normally my go-to hairstyle is in a low ponytail or a low bun. For many reasons. One, because if I move at all, it gets really tangled, but if I wear it up on my head, if I wear it up in my head in a high ponytail, it looks bomb. I feel like Ariana Grande when I do it, but one, my hair is so heavy that it like falls down my head, or I have really bad headaches and neck pain after like an hour of wearing my hair up. It's ridiculous. But when I go to festivals or nightclubbing I wear my hair down, or like parties and stuff, and my hair is like, when you sweat, when the back of your neck gets really sweaty, all of the bottom of my hair turns into like this massive matted knot, and it's ridiculous. Festivals, I learned the hard way. For the first couple of years I was wearing my hair down, and girl, I don't know if you've ever been to a fucking festival in a mosh pit and then you come home and your hair is matted. When I say my hair was matted, this whole thing literally ends up like a ball, like this, in a ball of matted, disgusting, sweaty hair. Like, it's disgusting. So now every time I go to a music festival, I have to wear my hair braided. I actually went to EDC Las Vegas last year and I wore wigs. One, because they look fucking epic, and two, I was like, there's no way that I'm wearing my hair down. Like, it's fucked, especially when you have to go to a festival like a few days in a row. I did Tomorrowland as well. I think that was 3 days. Was Tomorrowland 3 days? I think Tomorrowland's 3 days. And I wore my hair down, but halved the first day, and then in like little balls and cute, just braids and shit. It was just like, it's a nightmare, honestly. So your hair looks pretty when you get to an event, and then by the end of the night, it's like, fuck this. It's horrible. I forgot what I was talking about. Yeah, what it's like having my hair down. It's ridiculous. So washing it and drying it is a nightmare. Styling my hair, I very rarely do that as well. I'm pretty lucky. I have really pretty natural wavy hair. Like, if I blow dry it really well and just brush it, my hair is naturally beautifully like really loose and wavy. So I think that's really pretty anyway. So that's normally my go-to style, because again, it takes me like an hour to straighten my hair. Curling my hair is the same thing. It's the same process. I have so much hair that I have to section off so much of it. And especially when you have a curling wand and you want the really tight curls, obviously you can only curl this much at a time, probably even less. Can you imagine how long it takes me to curl my hair? Like, I have to spend the whole afternoon doing it to prepare for the evening. It's ridiculous. It looks fucking pretty. Like, with the little ringlet curls on me, look cute when it's done, but they don't last probably more than half an hour, no joke, on my head. But yeah, straightening my hair. I love the look of my straightened hair. You know how long it is now naturally with the waves, but when I straighten my hair, it's so pretty. Like, it's so long, it looks so fucking lush. Yeah, when I go to bed, I have to plait my hair. But if I do not plait my hair when I go to bed, one, I wake up with it completely matted and gross and all tangled. But two, it's so long that one, either my partner will lean on it and it pulls and I get fucking tangled with him. It literally is that long. Or I turn over and it like wraps around. I'm not even joking, like, it suffocates me. I could die. My hair is dangerous, okay? And if I don't plait it, it literally will fucking suffocate me. Funny enough, when my hair is in plaits though, they are a weapon. They are a weapon. Like, don't fuck with me when my hair is plaited, because it will just, like Lara Croft style. Yeah. Yeah, there's only, like I said, there's go-to hairstyles that I have normally when I'm at home or the gym or I go to work, just so it's out of the way. I have to be careful, like, when I wear my hair in a low bun, because it's so thick. When I'm laying on the benches at the gym, like, my head's like, I can't lay flat. So my hair, I actually have different hairstyles depending on what body part I'm training that day, depending on where I'm having to situate my body. But The shit thing about having really long hair is I can't do those really cute hairstyles that a lot of the girls do. Like the top bun, the effortless look where you just throw it up and it looks all cute on your head. Can't do that. This is what it looks like. It's like I have the beautiful big thick bun, but again, it's heavy on my head, and if I don't spray the fuck out of it or bobby pin the fuck out of it or like layer it to sit in that pretty bun, it's really heavy and it falls to one side or it falls down, or I have really bad headaches. So it's very, very, very rare that you'll see those kind of hairstyles on me. It's just not a good time. My hair, on the topic of my hair being dangerous, not dangerous, but it causes me pain. I've got a couple of examples of how my hair causes me pain. One of them, when I get in my car and my hair is down when I'm going somewhere, I have to purposely just be very conscious of where my hair is. So I have to get in the car, move my hair to the side, and then close my car door, because the amount of times I've got in a rush and gone to close the door like that and my hair flings, my hair is so long it gets stuck in the car door. And I don't realize, and I'm like, ugh. Literally, and it pulls my hair out and it's in the car door, and I open it and all the fucking hair falls out. It's really bad. My hair also like gets caught in my seatbelt a lot. Like I go to pull it forward, I'm like, oh, it's all tangled, and look at it, it's just...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
It's just, it's annoying. I get really like frantic. Like I hate wearing my hair down when I'm at home, because if I'm picking stuff up or putting stuff away or like working on my laptop, because my hair's so heavy, it falls forward a lot. And it's always in my hair. Like when I'm doing the washing and I have to bend forward and pick stuff up, or it's so long. Like, let me demo for you. Like when I'm picking stuff up, like, look, it suffocates me, and I'm going like this. I'm like, fuck, get out of my fucking face. I hate it, and I'm always frantically looking for a lackey so I can just be like, the fuck? You know, like it suffocates me. I had this really horrible story, traumatized. This story of, I had a girls' night at my house one night, and we were really, really drunk, and I dropped something on the floor and I went to pick it up and my hair was down and out, and I like leant forward to pick something off the floor, and because my hair's so long, I stood on my hair, like not on purpose, but just that's how I stepped to balance myself because I was drunk. And I went to stand up really quickly, and it pulled my hair, and not even exaggerating, I had a shit ton, like a clump of hair sitting on the floor from my foot, pulling it out of my head. Not a fun time, guys, not a fun time. Like I said, my friend and I, / hairdresser, have come to the conclusion that it's time. It's time. I'm getting my hair cut. I have never separated with my hair. I don't know if you can tell, but it gives me anxiety. Like, I'm very attached to my hair, even though all I do is complain about it. Like, I'm probably gonna snip that much off. That's still, I think to like standards, that's long, but that's fucking short for me. But yeah, and we're coloring it. Like I'm just going in there with, I've sent a couple of photos, and she's the boss. So she's gonna be like, she's gonna just go nuts. I am gonna film it for you guys. I'm going to put it on a time lapse so you can see how we're doing it and the before and after, but oh yeah, it's a thing and it's happening, and I'm nervous. But I really wanted to make this video so we can say goodbye to my pretty hair. Gone are the days where random girls come up to me and say, I love your hair, it's so beautiful. It's always so nice just being like, no, this is my real hair. Because everybody asks me, is that your real hair? And it's like my thing, you know, it's my thing. I'm getting rid of my thing. Anyway, well, hopefully in the next few clips you'll be seeing the transformation. Bye hair. Oh, want to see a really cool trick? Like I can tie my hair in a knot. Like how cute, that's my hair. Maybe I shouldn't cut my hair. I don't have a hair lackey, but my hair's up. Woo! My hair's up. Stay tuned. God, Siobhan, what the fuck?